Mr. Speaker, the financial year 2024-2025 budget has been developed against a backdrop of improved global economic outlook. The world economy stood at 3.2% in terms of growth in 2023 and is projected to continue at the same pace in 2024. In the domestic economy, Mr. Speaker, the Kenyan economy is now unwinding from layers of negative and persistent shocks, and some of these shocks have actually have been protected and have a structural and permanent effects on the economic activities. Mr. Speaker, through forecast interventions as well as structural reforms, the policies of Kenya Kwanza government have started to yield some positive results. Economic recovery is evident, with a GDP growth of 5.6% in 2023, up from 4.9% in 2022. This is above the global average and also above the average of sub-Saharan African region. The domestic growth in 2023 was mainly supported by a rebound in agricultural activities given the improved weather conditions and subsidized inputs for farmers. The resilience of the services sector remained strong in that same year. So the overall inflation also declined to its target level at 5%, and in April 2024 from a peak of 9.6% in October 2022. The decline was driven mostly by easing of food and energy prices